Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're taking a quick look at Emergent AI. So let's jump in. Now, Emergent AI builds custom AI solutions for businesses. That means they don't give you a one-size-fits-all product. They design tools specifically for your company, whether you're in healthcare, finance, logistics, or any industry that needs automation, data analysis, or more efficient workflows. They also offer consulting to help businesses integrate AI smoothly. Now, let's talk about the pros. First, everything they build is custom made, which is a huge advantage if your business has specific needs. They also have real expertise in sensitive industries, especially where data security is important. Their tools are scalable, so they grow with your company, and they focus on actual results, saving time, cutting costs, and increasing efficiency. But there are some downsides you should know before jumping in. They don't list clear pricing or detailed tools on their website, so you have to contact them directly. Custom AI can also get expensive, which isn't ideal for small businesses. And because these solutions take time to build and deploy, you won't see instant results. Plus, big tech companies like Google or Microsoft offer similar services with more established track records. So, should you use Emergent AI? Well, if you're a larger business with a solid budget and you need custom industry specific AI, Emergent AI might be a great fit. But if you're a small business or want something fast and affordable, you may want to look at options like OpenAI or Google Cloud AI first. That's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.